my screen is visible to you, Aadhna.
Yes, it's visible.
You can try this question. That's a number series question given to you. First number is 13, then we have 25, 51, 101, and 203. So you need to figure out the next missing number over there in the series based on the pattern. I hope the question is understandable.
Yes, it is.
Perfect. I'm starting the timer. Let me know when you get the answer. Hi, Shreyas. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Great, thank you. That's the number series question I given Aadhna over here. Please try this question YouTube and let me know if you get the answer. Let me just explain this question. That's a number series question based on the pattern. You need to figure out the pattern from these given numbers, and then you need to figure out the next missing number over there. Okay. The answer?
Not yet.
You think you need help?
Can I just have a few more minutes?
1 minute. You can try. And Shreyas, have you got your answer for this?
No, I didn't.
Okay. I'm giving you 1 more minute. You can try the question.
I need help.
Okay. Let's wait for Shreyas, then we'll start.
No, I also need help.
Okay. So that's a very easy question. Let me just show you how we can do this. See, first number that is we are given is 30. Then we have 25. Then we have 51, 101, and 203. That's the number series given to us. Now what I will do is I will check if there is any pattern or not. So if I want to reach around 30 and 25, I can say it is multiply by 2 minus 1. Because 13 times 2 is 26, 26 minus 1 will give you 25. Then reaching from 25 to 51, it is 25 times 2 plus 1, which is 25 times 2 is 50, 50 plus 1 is 51. Then again, this is 51 times 2, which is 150, 102 minus 1, that is 101. Then it is multiplied by 2, 101 multiplied by 2, that is 202 minus 1, that will give you this. Sorry, plus 1, this will give you this. Now, if you observe the pattern, what you're doing, multiply by 2, negative 1, multiply by 2, positive 1. Multiply by 2, negative 1, multiply by 2, positive 1. Which means what should be the next series? Next pattern will be multiply by 2, negative 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
You got the pattern, so which means 203 multiplied by 2 minus 1. That should be your answer. Which means 203 multiplied by 2 is how much? That is 406 minus 1. That will give you 405. Which means option A will be the correct answer. I hope it was clear.
Yes.
Aadhna, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Perfect. Let's move on there. Yeah, try this question over here. Let me just take the one board. Give me a second.
I got .0007.
0007. Okay. See, let me write your answer. Yes, says .0007. Let's wait for another answer.
I got 2.8.
Okay, very defense answer we are getting over here. We check whose answer is correct. It's 2.8 is the right answer over here. Yes. What was the doubt in this question? What did you do?
Wait, can I have a bit more time really quick?
Yeah, you can take your time. Question is very easy. What you need to do, you just need to multiply these two. Say,
Yeah, I didn't see the 4,000 there.
please check that.
Yeah, I see what I did wrong.
Well, baby elephant weighs 70,000 grams and adult elephant weighs 1.2 multiplied by 10 to the power 2 times that amount. How much does the adult elephant weigh? Very simple question.
I got the last option.
Okay. What do you think, Aadhna?
I'm still doing it.
That was pretty quick. Shreyas.
Yeah, it's the last one.
Job, both of you. Yeah, what about this? A school cafeteria manager ordered 1,000 containers of applesauce. Each container has 3.125 times 10 to the power negative 2 gallons of applesauce. And the total amount of applesauce that was ordered as a decimal.
I got 31.25.
What do you think, Shreyas?
I got the same answer.
Shreyas. The Professional football team had two consecutive home games to start the season. There were 6.57 times 10 to the power 5 tickets sold for the first home game. There were 1.96 times 10 to the power 5 tickets sold for the second game. How many total tickets were sold? So you need to add that and me answer.
The third one.
Got the answer?
Not yet.
I got the first one.
Okay, let's see. Shreyas, have you got your answer?
I got the first one.
Okay, let me check. It's must be the right answer over here. Try this. Correction. Yeah. Try this question over here. But till the time you guys are trying, I will be back in a minute. Okay. The answer.
The third one.
I got the first one.
Very good. That was the right answer. Good job, Shreyas. Yes, Aadhna, what do you think? What mistake you did? First of all,
I
you can
don't
do the
know.
simple subtraction. There is no need to do anything else. You can do the simple subtraction.
I think you added as a total instead of subtracting.
Yeah, I accidentally added instead of subtracted.
Now Shreyas is able to rectify this problem. Great job, Shreyas. Let's move on. Yeah, try this.
I got the second one.
That's what I got too.
Shreyas, have you got your answer?
I just said it.
That's it.
I said the second one.
What do you think, Aadhna?
I got the second one.
Second is the right answer. Good job. Move on to the next type. That's with the multiplication ones. We have done this. That's what division means. Okay, try this question over here.
I got the second one.
So we got your answer.
I got the second one.
It's asking from Shreyas. Shreyas, have you got your answer?
Almost done. Actually, I need help.
Yeah. Aadhna, would you like to explain this question to Shreyas?
Uh, well, I just divided 2.4 and 2, and I got 1.2, and then 8 minus 6 is 2, so it's 1.2 times 10 to the power of 2.
Okay. So what she did, Shreyas, that 1.4 multiplied by 10 to the power 8, that she divided by 2 times 10 to the power 6. So what happens then? This 2 will divide this 2.4 by 1.2 times. And you know already what happens with this. When this 6 will moving to the numerator, this will be becoming now negative 6. So 10 power 8 minus 10 power 6. That is 10 power 8 minus 6. That is the 1.2 times 10 to the power 2. That will be your answer, which is the right option. Option B is the right answer. So that's why this is the correct one. I hope it was clear.
Yes, it's clear.
This question is
I got the first one.
And yes, I hope your parents will also be available in the last minutes of the class as we will be doing the
Um,
batch ceremony.
yes.
Perfect.
I got the second one.
What was your answer, Aadhna? Second one?
The first one.
First one. Aadhna says first one, your answer is second one. So first one is the correct answer, Shreyas. Yeah. Do you want help?
Yeah.
Then I think you have fixed an issue with the division problems. Let me show you how. So first of all, what you need to do in this question is, first of all, what the question says, area of football field is 5.76 times 10 power 4 square feet. The width of the football field is 160 feet. What is the length? So if it is asking for length, which means rectangle, this field would have been a rectangular field. Yes or no? Because width is
Yes.
given, length is being asked, which means this field must have been a rectangular field. Now let's talk about the dimension. Yes, it says that you know that for a rectangle, what happens? L times P is how much? The area. Over here, I know I did not know the value of L, but I know the value of P, which is the width over here, that is 160, is equal to area. Area is given to us is 5.76 multiplied by 10 power 4. Yes or no?
Yes.
Means L will be equal to 5.76 times 10 to the power 4 divided by 160. So what you need to do now, you need to do just the calculation. L is equal to 5.76 divided by 160. You can use calculator for this. There is no problem with that. Okay, so how much you got for this? And Aadhna, 5.76 divided by, give me a second. 76 divided by 160. You will get 0.036. Okay, 0.036 you will get times 10 to the power 4. Now what you need to do, as you know, in the scientific notations, you need to convert this number between 1 to 10, which means you will have to remove two decimal numbers out of this. So what you will have to do, you will have to multiply by 100 into numerator and denominator, which means it is, if I write it over here, let's say it is 0.036 multiplied by 10 to the power 4. Let's say if I take this 100 inside this, it will be how much? 3.6 times 10 square. This will be your answer. I hope you got this.
Yes.
Okay, what I did is I just broken this 10 power 4 into 100 times 100, which means it is 10 square times 10 square. So 10 square is nothing but 100. If 100 is multiplied to this will be now between 1 to 10. This number is now between 1 to 10. And now, whatever the exponent is, let it remain as it is. So that is my answer, 3.6 times 10 square. I hope it was clear.
Yes, it's clear.
Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Try this.
I got the third one.
I got the last one.
Let's see whose accuracy is correct. Third one is the right answer, Shreyas. You did some mistake. Please check again. What the question says, the mass of a substance is 3.4 times 10 to the power negative 3 grams. The substance occupies 5 times 10 to the power 4 liters. What is the density of the substance? Density is the measure of mass per volume. Okay. So what this question says, so liters are the volumes, always remember, and this is mass. So what this question says, if you want to find out the density, it will be 3.4 times 10 to the power negative 3 divided by 5 times 10 to the power 4. This is what you need to calculate. Okay. So first of all, what you will do, You will do 3.4 divided by 5. How much you will get? You will get, I think it is 0.68 you are getting. Yeah. And this will be how much? This is 10 to the power 4 will be moving to the numerator. That will be 10 to the power negative 7. But as you know that we need this value between 1 to 10, we cannot keep it between 0 less than 1. So for that, what I need this, I need to make it 6.8. So what I can do is I can multiply by 10 on numerator and denominator. 0.68 multiplied by 10 divided by 10. Let's say it is 10 power negative 7. So what will happen? 0.68 will become now what? 6.8. And this is, you can see over here that 10 is in the denominator. If 10 this comes in the numerator, it will be how much? 10 to the power negative 8. Which option is correct? 6.8 times 10 to the power negative 8, which means this option, C option is correct. I hope it was clear, Shreyas.
Yes.
Perfect. How you can proceed with this question. Let's move on. Let's do 1 or 2 questions per today. Then I will be doing the match motion ceremony. This question over here. Which equation represents the line graph below?
Can you go down? It's the last one, I think.
See,
It's the last one.
okay. Yes, the correct answer is this. Good job. Let's move on to the next question. Which of the following equation forms a line that passes through 4,7 and 0,1? I have told you earlier how to find out the equation of a line from given 2 points. Let's see who gives me the correct answer, who has revised that and can give me the correct answer.
It's the first one.
That was pretty quick. What about you, Shreyas?
Still working.
Okay.
I got the first one.
First one. Okay, how did you solve this? Shreyas?
I know that the y-intercept is -1, and then I did -1 minus 7 equals -8 over -4 because 0 minus 4, and then I divided and I simplified it.
Okay, good. And Aadhna, how did you solve this?
I did the same thing.
Good. Can we just check which options are actually just passing, satisfying these 2 points? For example, 0,1 is getting satisfied with all the points, yeah? Because if you put 0,1 in all of these, you will get your answer. But if you put 4,7, all the points will not satisfy your answer. You can see that only first coordinate will satisfy your answer, because if you put y is equal to 7, you will get 4 times 2, 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 is equal to 7, which means first option is the correct answer. So you can also verify with the option with the given points by putting them in the equation. That is also very easy method to know without even calculating that much. Yeah, let's try this. Which equation represents the graph below?
Is the second one.
Okay, let's see. Shreyas, what do you think? Which option is correct?
I'm still solving it really quick.
Your answer was the second one, Aadhna, if I can remember.
Yes.
I got the second one too.
You got the second one. Let me check. Yes, second one is the right answer. Good job, both of you. This which equation represents the graph below? You can see the graph. First of all, let me just show it to you. The equations.
Can you go back up? Can you go back down, please? It's the third one.
Okay, let's see. Cheers, have you got your answer?
Almost done. Could you scroll up, please? Can you scroll down, please? It's the third one.
One. Okay, let me check. Yes, third one is the right answer. Good job, Shreyas. Let's do the last question for today. Then we will be moving to the ceremony.
I think it's the second one.
See?
I think it's second one too.
Second one. Yes, second one is the right answer. Good job. Shreyas and Aadhna, you can call your parents. And Shreyas, can you please turn on the camera?
Okay.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, doing great. If it is fine for you, can you please turn on your camera?
Sorry, what did you say? We already turned on the camera. Can you see us?
No, I'm not able to see you. Aadhna, can you see her? Can you see him?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now I can see.
Okay.
So how are you,
Oh,
ma'am?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you. And what about you, ma'am? Aadhna's mother?
I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Thank you. So I already conveyed this to you in the last PDM session that in the next session I will be promoting the batch to Algebra 1. So congrats to both of you that they are being promoted to Algebra 1 now. And yeah, I just wanted to convey a few more things there. So I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, we can see it.
So welcome to the batch promotion ceremony. So first of all, about you, this is about you because we already know about the students. So can you please give us a brief intro about you, like what you do, anything that you would like to share with us, that casual thing about yourself?
About us?
Yes. What do you like to do? Anything that you would like to share, just for a casual thing.
Um, I don't know. What can I say? Like you have put it on the no, spontaneous thing. I don't know. For my interest, I would say like I like yoga, gardening.
Okay, great.
Yeah, we live in Charlotte, so the eastern side of the east coast of the U.S.
Okay. And what about you, Anna's mother?
Yeah, I'm in the central part of US and um, what else? I don't know what to
I
say.
You
know.
can you can share your interests, you can share your hobbies, anything that you'd like to share.
We can talk about you, Shubham, but I don't know what can I talk about myself.
So I'm a math teacher with 90th percentile, ma'am. So that's it about me. So I've been teaching over here like for like
No,
more.
you are a wonderful person. You're a wonderful teacher.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That's my
Yes.
pleasure. Thank you so much.
I'm
So
glad
I
that you are, my son's teacher. So,
thank you. I
I
have seen
agree with
Amina.
you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So I've seen Amina really a very good improvement in Shreyas when I started. And now where at what level he is now. I mean, he is really answering the questions of grade 8 like he knows every single thing. So
see,
that's
then the credit goes to you. So it's all related to you.
yeah, thank you so much. So yeah. So apart from
Thank
this
you
one,
again.
yeah, that's all. So there's a bit of game time that we will start. So over here, your team will be there. So riddle is the riddle is you can find it in Mercury, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, but not in Venus or Neptune. What it is? You both can answer. Whoever will answer, that team will win. First of all, let me tell you, this is
Find
not scientific. This is very casual.
no, not A. Something like a riddle.
Sorry.
Or T. No, not even T. I don't know.
Did
It's R.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm saying
did
it's
you say
find
R?
R. Yeah.
Yes, R is the correct answer. So that was
Okay.
the kind of a question it is. Yeah. So that was not at all scientific. Yeah. So over here, let me just show it to you. What are how much percentage they have got? So Aadhna has got 94% in her last benchmarker. So on that basis, she is
Good
getting
job.
promoted to the stage. Yes. Yeah, she's I mean an exceptional student that I
I
have seen.
always hear that. I mean, she is awesome.
Yeah, she's an exceptional student that I have seen so far. And she's really good with those critical thinking questions that I take in the class. I mean, those critical thinking questions sometimes are, I mean, very far above their level. But still,
Yes.
sometimes she is able to do that. And always, I mean, I have never seen any time that she is not able to understand that problem.
The other day, you gave the one initial problem where you have a rectangle and then two triangles within that. I was solving and I couldn't do that. And I was more worried if Aadhna, right?
Aadhna.
Yeah.
If she can solve it, that's my worry. But yeah, she's amazing.
Yeah, she's amazing.
Good job, Adna.
And apart from this, Aadhna has been a very serious student. And I mean, every single time she has completed her homework, unless she's out of the home and else, she completes her homework every time. And very disciplined student I have seen in my teaching career. So yeah, so she's quite exceptional. Apart from this, let me talk about Shreyas. She has got 89%. So Shreyas was little struggling in the last while scoring the benchmarker. So I was thinking for a catch-up class for him, but suddenly I do not know what happened. So he actually scored. I mean, he was improving a lot, like 6%, 7%, 8% in every single benchmarker. But suddenly he jumped like 20%. So he just scored like 89%. So yeah, that is the thing.
Good
And
job,
for
yes.
Good, yeah, shares commendable, and I will be clapping for you for that. Yeah, and
You're
with that,
shy.
Good
yeah, he's
job.
very shy. Yeah,
It's okay. You need to take the credit when you did the hard work.
and yeah, sometimes he does not do the homework, but it is still fine because they should also enjoy. And yeah, I mean, he has been a very good student for me, and to see that kind of improvement in any student, that is, I mean, a main thing for a teacher. So that is, I think, the main task for has been a main task for me, get that kind of improvement and shares. So yeah, so I think I have been successful in that. Yeah, thank you, shares, for that. Okay, and now I would like uh, you from parents, like whatever your feedback is, like how has been your experience with 90th percentile? Shares mother, you can answer first, then Atha's mother can answer.
I
So
mean,
how's been your yeah.
it was really helpful for him. I mean, sometimes in the class, I think the topics were uh, like learned to 90th percentile in a different order than in their school. But other than that, I think in any topics, I think linear equations, I would say like a one such of a topic, it really helped. So it's always a really additional helpful to the 90th percentile. And you going over the same, the brushing up the any time that he has any questions, going over the same topic, that was really helpful. And your patience especially.
Thank you so much for that.
Yeah,
And what
I've
about you,
never
ma'am?
seen like you like sighing or just showing you that time, but yeah, it's always very patient.
Yeah. So
Thank you
yeah,
for
with
that.
the students, yeah, we need to keep that patience. Only then we can hope we can expect that kind of improvement in that.
Right. Yeah.
And yes, ma'am, what about you? What do you think for 90th percentile? How has been your experience so far?
As of now, I completely rely on Aadhna, and she never complained, and she's very happy. So yeah, I'm happy too.
Okay, that's great. And now she will be getting promoted to Algebra 1, where she will be, I mean, getting some challenging questions, where that will be of her capability. Because
Okay.
what I saw, like, rate was, I mean, below par for her capability. Because now Algebra 1 will be a little challenging for her, and that will be up to the level of her capability now, I think.
Okay.
Because yeah. So yeah, let's see. I mean, how good she performs in the next game. And yeah. Now it's turn for Aadhna and Shreyas. So Aadhna, it's your turn. How's been your experience? And what are your memories of the class so far?
Um,
Anything that you would like to share?
I really like the class, and like it's helpful for topics that I forgot when
Okay. Any particular memories?
no.
Oh, okay. And what about you, Shreyas? What do you think? What has been good
Uh,
thing in the
it
class?
helped me.
And
It helped me through schoolwork. So like
Come closer and then talk to
when like a
me.
topic showed up in the class, I was kind of struggling, but this class helped me not answer the question properly.
okay, that's great. And thank you for that. So thank you for your feedback, ma'am, and thank you so much for your time for coming over here. So yeah, I mean that's it. So I will be promoting them to the next page, and let's see how good they perform on the next page. Okay. So yeah, thank you so
Okay.
much for your time. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.
Sure. Thank you so much, Mr. Shubham.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, is the class done?
Bye.
Oh, okay.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, you were
No, no,
asking
I
something.
mean, no, no, I'm saying like is the class done, right? He's logging off. So,
Yes, yes, the class is done because I just took this session after like in last 10 minutes of the class. So yeah, the
okay.
class is done.
Okay, sure. Thank
Okay,
you.
ma'am. Thank you so much.
Right.